This is how to turn a business trip into a vacation with Hilton. My name is Scott Hamilton, and I'm the General Manager at the Hilton McLean Tysons Corner. Step 1. Upgrade your room via the Hilton Honors app before you arrive. When you check in, make sure you ask for a late checkout so you can enjoy some extra Z's during your stay. Step 2. Get the inside scoop. Talk to your front desk or concierge for local tips on where to go and what to see. Step 3. Work it out. Keep your mind and body sharp by creating opportunities to work out during your stay. Step 4. Make a splash. Grab your favorite book and bathing suit and head to the pool to really channel those vacation vibes. Step 5. Dig in. Unwind after a long day of meetings with a delicious meal at the on-property restaurant. Or brought straight to your door for a relaxing meal in bed while you catch up on all of your favorite shows.
This is Up the Menu with Hilton.
And that's how to turn a business trip into a vacation. Fun fact, when I'm not at work, you'll find me cycling. Each year, I bike from Pittsburgh to Washington, D.C. to raise money for wounded veterans.